Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. For today's video, I am going to teach you on how you can connect your Perplexity to n8n. So, without further ado, let's begin. The first thing that we need to do is to log in on our n8n account. And once logged in, we're going to click on Personal, and then we're going to choose the workflow that we will be working on. Next, we're going to add a first step, and on the search nodes, we're going to search HTTP request. And then we're going to go to docs.perplexity.ai, and then we're going to click on API reference, and then we're going to copy the curl code right here by clicking on this icon, and then we're going to go back to n8n. We're going to click on import curl, and then we're going to paste our curl code. Once pasted, click import. After that, we're going to go to authentication, select predefined credential type, and for credential type, select Airtable OAuth API. And then we're going to log in our Airtable account on the credential. After that, we're going to scroll down and head to header parameters. And then on the bearer value, we're going to paste our API key from Perplexity. After that, complete the other steps. And that's it. So, if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to click like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful video tutorials. See you in the next video. Bye!